Stallions. Welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. Today I wanted to make a video to just give you guys an idea as to what I do to stay motivated or get myself motivated and how I get organized. So one of the things that I do, one of the biggest things that actually I just recently started doing is this behind me. This is kind of a motivational wall. I place it right above my workspace just to kind of keep me motivated. It has a bunch of inspirational quotes, pictures of my family and friends, pictures of things that I like, and it just kind of keeps me a bit motivated to get work done. And when I'm feeling down and I'm feeling super stressed and I'm at my desk, I just look up and I see all these amazing things and all these quotes that inspire me and that help me out, and I just instantly feel better. Another thing that I do is I actually talked about this in a previous video, which I'll link in the description box below. I write quotes on sticky notes and I put them on a mirror. I look into that mirror every single day, and seeing those quotes on my mirror just kind of gets me started with the day. And even at the end of the day, when I'm going to bed, I just look at those and I'm they kind of give me a boost of positivity, and they coat my brain with just a lot of positive energy. So I find that very helpful. Another thing that I recently I started doing this semester, I got a planner. I found that using a planner actually helps me a lot more because I lay out everything that I have to do. I plan out my month, I plan out my week, and it just kind of gets me to a point where I'm okay, I know what I have to do and I know when things are due, and it just keeps me on track. But at the same time, when I do that, I still use my phone, and I still use my phone because the planner, I keep it at home. I keep it at home, and my phone, I always have my phone. So it's just, with the phone, it's more of a reminder on the go, and it's just easier for me to quickly put something into my phone whenever I need to remember something, or whenever I need to jot something down. If something changes on the course syllabus and I don't have my planner, I just quickly put it into my phone and then I transfer it into my planner when I get home. So I found that helps me a lot. Another thing that keeps me feeling motivated and organized is just having a tiny workspace. I never realized how important that was until I actually started to implement it into my own life. It makes such a difference when you're sitting at your desk and everything is just in place and everything is organized, and there isn't cluttered, your desk isn't cluttered and stuff. So if my desk is organized, I focus on what is in front of me. I focus on that, and I don't have to there's nothing that's distracting me. So yeah, that is just a few tips that I wanted to share with you guys. Let me know if any of these work out for you, if you try them out. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click the like button if you did enjoy it. It just helps me a lot when it comes to figuring out what people like, what you guys like, of course. So please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment below. Let me know if there are any other tips that you guys want to share, any other things that you guys do to help you stay motivated and organized. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends and family so we can grow this amazing Stallion Nation of ours. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!